Welcome to Smartway Learning. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Stock market terminology. Chapter 2. Sure. Here are 20 most important stock trading terminology. 1. Stock, a share of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of that company. 2. Share, a single unit of stock representing ownership in a company. 3. Ticker symbol, a unique set of letters representing a particular stock on a stock exchange. For example, AAPL is the ticker symbol for Apple Incorporated. 4. Stock exchange, a marketplace where stocks and other financial instruments are bought and sold. Examples include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ. 5. Market order, a type of order to buy or sell a stock at the best available price in the market at that moment. 6. Limit order, a type of order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price, the limit price, or better. 7. Bid price, the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a stock at a given moment. 8. Ask price, the lowest price a seller is willing to accept for a stock at a given moment. 9. Bid-ask spread, the difference between the highest price a buyer is willing to pay, bid, and the lowest price a seller is willing to accept, ask. 10. Volume, the number of shares of a stock traded during a specific period, often used as an indicator of market activity. 11. Liquidity, the ease with which a stock can be bought or sold without causing significant price fluctuations. 12. Bull market, a period of rising stock prices and optimistic investor sentiment. 13. Bear market, a period of declining stock prices and pessimistic investor sentiment. 14. Day trading, buying and selling stocks within the same trading day, with no positions held overnight. 15. Long position, holding a stock with the expectation that its value will increase over time. 16. Short position, selling a stock with the expectation that its value will decrease, with the intent to buy it back at a lower price later. 17. Dividend, a distribution of a portion of a company's earnings to its shareholders. 18. Earnings per share, EPS, a company's net earnings divided by the number of outstanding shares, indicating the profitability on a per share basis. 19. Price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, the ratio of a company's stock price to its earnings per share, used to assess its valuation relative to its earnings. 20. Market capitalization, market cap, the total value of a company's outstanding shares, calculated by multiplying the stock price by the number of outstanding shares. Remember, the stock market can be complex, and understanding these terms can be a starting point. Always conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions.